It's hard for me to understand why we pull away from each other so easily, even though we're all walking the same road. Yet we build dividing walls between our brothers and our selves. But I don't care what label you may wear. If you believe in Jesus, you belong with me. The bond we share is all I care to see, and we'll change the world forever. You will join with me. Join and sing, sing. You're my brother, you're my sister, so take me by the hand. Together we will work until He comes. And there's no foe that can defeat us when we're walking side by side. As long as there is love, we will stand. The day will come when we will be as one, and with a mighty voice